Your computer's so old it didn't even have a mouse.
Nah, it didn't. You have to use the actual arrows on the keyboard.
Your computer had a rat. Fuck a mouse.
A fucking gerbil.
It was a gerbil. You had a hamster.
A hamster.
Where's the mouse? Nah, the Commodore use a hamster. Holy apples use a mouse. This Commodore use a hamster. You gotta hold it by his tail.
I hope it go the way you want.
I hope it go the way you want him to. It's dual purpose. If the power go out, put him on the wheel and make it run. Generate power.
Generate this power.
Come on, hamster. Let's go. I'm trying to play Jordan versus Bird. Had the bootleg version. I'm trying to play Spud Webb versus Dominique. Slam dunk contest. 85.
George Miller song.
I'm trying to play Larry Nance versus Bill Dalton versus Brad Daugherty.
Only niggas who play ball know how hilarious that is. Larry Nance.
I'm trying to play Mark Price against Craig Hodges.
Shittiest niggas on the fucking world.